Hello. These came from Home Depot. They're Viagro 90-degree barbed elbows for half-inch tubing. So I got me a sample from my roll. I want to make sure these things work. The instructions said, actually I didn't have any instructions. Comes in a bag of 50. But you're not supposed to need clamps with these, but they recommend possibly using plastic clamps, also made by Viagro, and those are sold in packages of 100 because you would have to have 2 per elbow. So let's see how tightly this thing fits. That went on very easily, which is not good. This is half-inch black irrigation tubing. And I would highly recommend having those clamps. Now, if you use the metal clamps, that you use a screwdriver to tighten down, that can be expensive, for sure. I have to have something that would be stainless steel or plastic because the line is going to be buried, most of it, so that it doesn't interfere with the lawnmower, the weed eater, and foot traffic. If I can find some other tubing, I'll try those and see if there's a difference. I'm back. Okay, I found some other tubing, some of which I bought at Home Depot. So let's see how those work. Okay. A little tighter. Still comes off pretty easily, but it's definitely not as loose as the other stuff. Let's try this one. Nope. It is a half-inch poly distribution line, and it's smaller than this one, but it's still too loose. And this is the stuff I bought at Home Depot. It's snug, but that's not going to hold together without me putting those clamps on them. And I can't order them through Home Depot because they're out of order or out of stock. And apparently, I guess they don't have them. Well, I don't know. I didn't check in store. So, the part about them not needing clamps, I would be buying clamps. Even with the hose from the Home Depot, I would be putting clamps on them. The plastic clamps are cheaper than the metal ones. I just don't know how well they work, but I'll try. But that may take some time to find them. In the meantime, I can't bury this stuff and have it come apart underground and not water the plants. Oh, well, this is disappointing. Oh, well. Just if you buy these, they are well made. They're nice and thick and sturdy. They are black. They are meant for outdoor use. The bag it comes in. 50 pieces. Have a good weekend, or a good week, whenever you see this.